In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a PenFed credit card, guiding you through each step to ensure a smooth application process. As we begin, make sure you have some essential details handy, like your social security number and employment information, to make things run more smoothly. First, you'll want to navigate to the PenFed credit card page. Once there, you'll see a variety of card options laid out before you. Take your time to review these, considering which one best aligns with your financial goals and personal spending habits. When you find the card that seems perfect for you, simply click on the Apply Now button to proceed. At this stage, it's important to identify whether you are an existing member. If you are, there's a handy feature where you can select Already a Member, Log In. Doing so will save you some time by pre-filling parts of the application with your existing information. This makes the process a little faster and more efficient. If you aren't yet a member, that's perfectly fine. Clicking the Apply Now button will allow you to start an application as a guest, which will concurrently create your membership as you go through the process. Keep in mind that if you're feeling uncertain about your qualification status, PenFed offers a tool to see if you pre-qualify, and the best part is, it doesn't affect your credit score. Once you've navigated through those initial steps, it's time to provide the required information. This part of the application is crucial as it sets the groundwork for the approval process. You'll need to fill out your social security number, as well as your employment and annual income details. Accuracy here is key since this information is used to verify your identity and assess your credit worthiness. It might feel a bit detailed, but taking your time to fill this out correctly will help prevent any unnecessary delays. After you've double-checked the information, it's time to submit your application. Make sure to review everything carefully. It's always a good idea to ensure every detail is accurate before hitting that final submit button. Once submitted, you'll enter a bit of a waiting game. However, PenFed keeps you updated along the way. You can monitor your email and phone for any status updates. Typically, if everything checks out, you'll receive your new credit card within about 10 business days. Applying for a credit card can seem daunting, but by following these steps, you can make the process straightforward and stress-free. Whether you are looking for better rates, rewards, or a card that matches more closely with your spending habits, this approach ensures you know exactly what to expect and how to successfully navigate the application. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your credit journey with PenFed.